Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna do a room decor haul. I've never done something like this before, but I'm gonna be giving my room a little bit of a makeover, especially this part, and you will see all of that next week. But I got a bunch of stuff to decorate it again and to make it more pretty, so I thought I would show you the things that I bought. Some of the things I bought at a thrift store, others from Ikea, and some from ALIEXPRESS, and some just from random places, but I will link everything down below that I can. So anyways, let's just get started. Let's start with the things that I got at thrift stores. It's not a lot, but it's something. So first off, I got this thing, and I think there used to be a plant in it. It looks like it, but I think you can also just put a candlelight in it, and I think that would also be really cute. I think I'm gonna use it for that because I'm more of a candle person. It was like €1, so why not get it? Then I also got this one. I really like it when it's see-through and you put like a candle in it. I think that looks so good because you kind of get like a reflection on the wall, and I think that always looks so pretty. I should wash this, it's kind of gross. Then I also got this thing, and oh, it still has the price tag. It was 95 cents. Why am I doing this right now? This is to put like a mini plant in. I didn't get that though. Oh crap, that's the one thing that I still need. Maybe just like one of those fake flower. I thought that would look really good in it. I loved everything about it. The shape, the color, it looks so cute, and it was only 95 cents, like seriously. Then I also got something very different. I don't know, I saw it and I thought I'm just gonna take it. It was €1.55. So you can like put stuff in it. I don't know if I will. Just ignore the price tag. It just gives me like African Egypt vibe, kind of. I don't know exactly. I thought it looked like a souvenir that you picked up on vacation, if you know what I mean. It's handmade. I love it. So next up, I got this thing. Picture frame, right? If you can tell, it's like, I don't know the name, but I think you can guess. It's kind of like rope-ish, and yeah, I think on my shelves this would look really good. It's very different than my other picture frames, even though I don't have a lot because I don't love picture frames, but this one I like, and it was $1.25. Then with the picture frame, I got this, and it's just like a glass thingy with shells. Kind of bought these together at the beginning of summer at the thrift store, and I don't know, it just gave me such summer vibes, and I thought it looked really cute together. Oh my god, I can't believe that scared me. I guess it would have been more fun if the shells had like different colors because they're all just plain white. Then I also got something that, oh my god, I love so much. Okay, look. I had to, I'm so sorry. Like, we saw this in like some kind of thrift store, and it had also one of a butterfly. I saw the dragonfly at first, and I loved it so much. The butterfly was also cute, but a dragonfly it's different. And I love it. I instantly fell in love with this, and I believe this was also like €2 or something. Like, thrift stores are so incredibly cheap, it's insane. This is actually just fabric and just with the wood like that, and I already know where I'm gonna put this one. This one does look so aesthetic as well, like seriously. Then from the same store, I also got this. This is basically a jar with like those sun-dried flowers. I have no idea if they're real. Oh wait, there's tape over it. Oh my god, there's two. That is just awesome. Oh, look at that. No, man. Oh my god. They're real. Wow, that's one hell of a scent. And I still have to get the price tag off, so just ignore that. But doesn't this look so cute? Yeah, I like these flowers in there, but I love it. Then some stuff I bought at random stores. I got this one. This one is actually from Primark. It's a candle. It's a scented candle, but oh my god, this smells so good. This just reminds me of like fall, and I'm just here sniffing candles, and you're just sitting there like, what the hell am I watching? This was €3, but you know, Primark is just incredibly cheap. Oh, by the way, it's wood smoke and clove scent, but oh my god, it smells really good. Then I also got this candle, and this is, yes, it is a scented candle. It kind of reminds me of a guy's perfume, but it does smell really good. It says beach vibes, sea salt, and surf. I just really liked it. It also has like two of those points where you can burn it. I have no idea what they're called. First of all, the scent, because I love scented candles, and also I just thought after it's burned up, I can just make it clean, and then I have this left and I can still use it for other stuff, to put stuff in or something. So it's 2 in 1, you know, and it's a big candle. scandal. Like, this was not expensive at all. Then if you've seen, I believe in my summer try-on haul, it was just like a random haul, then you've already seen this one before. And if you haven't seen that video, I got this. Google says that this is called a plant pot, so I'm just gonna call it a plant pot flower pot. This is to put like your plant in and it says you're a lifesaver. I just mostly love the color, but the text also just adds so much. So I really loved it. And at the same store, I also got this pillow, which I also showed you in that video, and I just thought that this was matching so good. So yeah, only my cat really loves this pillow, and she just always tries to take this out or eat it or whatever. So I bought this at Flying Tiger. I don't know if they have an online store. Then I also got, well, I actually didn't buy this, but my boyfriend did for me because I liked it. So anyways, I was with my boyfriend on vacation, and then we saw this in like gift store, gift shop. I really liked it because I've never had one of these things. So what do you call this?
A dream catcher.
A dream catcher. Why is everything so simple? Oh my god. I have no idea where I'm gonna put it. Anyways, oh my god, stop. It's simple. It has like pretty feathers, and I don't know. I seriously don't know where to put this. You will see that all next week. And moving on to AliExpress stuff. If you've watched my very first AliExpress haul, then you know that I bought these LED lights that are right here. I got those, and they didn't have a remote control, but I'm gonna paint this wall, so I'm gonna have to take it off. And I don't think it'll stick very well if I want to put it back on, so I bought a new one, and actually from a different seller, because I decided I did want the remote control this time. So I actually didn't unpack it yet, and I have no idea if it works. So here I have the LED lights itself, like the LED strip. I also got a different bag with the remote control and also the thingy to put together. And I really want to try it out right now. Hey, it works. There's no battery in it. Okay, what can I do? Okay, so I can just put it on red and green and blue. Oh, huh? Okay, so let me clear this up a little bit because I was very confused about this at first because I didn't really know how it worked yet. Basically, when you choose purple, it'll give red and blue. So I was just looking at the strip and I was like, that's not purple. But like when you look at the wall, you actually see the color that comes off and then it's purple. So don't mind me being confused. I just didn't really understand it at first. So you can adjust the brightness, and you can choose a color. So you have like red, and then all of these other colors, the light that comes off is the color that I choose. So I guess that's alright. I don't know how it is when it's dark, so we'll have to see. But at least the remote control works, which I'm very happy about. I like it. I recommend it. This one I can't put in the description though, so. Then I also got these fines. So I got a set of 3, mainly because if I ordered more than 3, I wasn't able to use free shipping, and I didn't want to pay extra for shipping. So I unpacked one this morning to see if they smell really bad, because I saw a lot of reviews from different ones that said that they really smelled. It's not that bad actually. It's already gone. It's a little bit less full than I expected. I don't know what the picture was like. So I just got the same ones 3 times. They smell a little, but if you take them out and you leave them for a little while, then the smell goes away. So that's nice. I hope it's gonna look cute though. There's gonna be so much green in my room. Like this, they're pretty full. I'm happy with it. They look pretty good. If you've seen my latest AliExpress haul, then you've already seen this. So I'm just gonna show them a little bit shorter this time. So I got 4 posters from AliExpress. This is the first one, but it says Flower Market Stockholm, and I really liked it, especially just the flowers. Then I also got this one. I really love this one. It's from New York. The one that I bought it from had many different cities to choose from. They also had like Paris and Amsterdam and Stockholm and I don't know, whatever, just so many different cities. So I definitely recommend them because they look really good. The next up, I have this one from Friends, and I just had to. I love Friends. If you know me, I'm Friends obsessed. I'm so sorry. Kind of looks like some kind of movie poster, and I just love it so much. Then I also got this one, the last one. The lightning reflection is just annoying, but I love this one. So it's for my zodiac sign, Sagittarius, and I just love the style of this poster. They had this one from every zodiac sign if you're interested in it. Then from AliExpress, I also got a wall collage kit, which I also showed in my AliExpress haul. So maybe you've seen this one as well, but I just really wanted good pictures for my wall because what is right now, this doesn't look good. So I wanted something better. So I got a wall collage kit, and it's kind of like peachy colors, but also like the blue tints to it. They look really good, and the quality is also very good, and they're really pretty. They look so good. And they also came with these stickers. I think they're double-sided, so you can put them up on the wall. And then last but not least, my big package from Ikea. First of all, I got this, and it's a set of 3 fake plants. I thought this would go perfectly on this little shelf right here because I wanted some different things for that. They're just small, kind of cheap, but and this was not expensive. I believe this was like 4 euros for the set of 3. Then I got some pots as well. So first I got this one. It's rather simple, but I really liked it. Like, just the shape is kind of different, but it looked really good. It's white, it's simple, and it's shiny. Then I also got the same one in 2 sizes, and then I also got it in a smaller size, and they actually have like, they have these lines on it. I believe these were incredibly cheap. They're just simple, again white, so they just fit, you know. Then I got 3 fake plants as well. First I got this one. This kind of just gave me like flower vibes. I don't know which plant is gonna go in which pot. Then this is the second one, and it kind of needs to get into shape. It's again fake, obviously, but I liked it. And this one also can go in one of these, just like these plants together. Like, I don't know if they're gonna be right next to each other, but that'll look cute. And then I also got this plant. This one was incredibly cheap. I actually want to have like one of those plants hanging from the ceiling, and I had this one in mind for that. I really hope it's gonna look good. I don't know. It was really cheap, okay? I also got this. This is for the drawer in my desk because I have so much stuff in there and it's always such a mess. And I tried to divide it, but it's still just a mess. So I thought it was time that I finally got this because it's really necessary. And then last but not least, something that I actually didn't buy but my boyfriend did for me, but I am gonna use it in my room. It's this one. I still haven't used it yet. I know, I just didn't have the right place for it. But now that I'm redoing this wall, I thought it would be perfect. It's from Friends, it says so I'm so incredibly happy. The one thing that kind of sucks is that you can't use it on batteries. You always have this cable, which is kind of a downside. This is what it looks like when it's turned on. Like, this is a little bit yellow, but that is totally okay. I just love the look of it. I love it so much. I love that my boyfriend gave this to me. I'm so obsessed with it. That was it for this video. That was a lot of stuff. So I hope you like this video. Stay tuned because next week there will be a video on my room makeover. Subscribe if you haven't yet so you don't miss that video, and like this video so more people will see it, and it really helps. I'm telling you. So anyways, I hope I will see you next week.